Gracie on turbo. Steer him towards the fence. Don't. There you go. All right. Today is, what is today? May 24th? May 25th? 2009? Okay, trot. It's a little muddy out here. We've had a lot of rain. Push your heels down. You're doing good. He's wanting to cheat and come in. There you go, Turbo. Good boy. Trot. He's hard to post to because he's quick. Yeah.